Hello, little friends! Get ready to clap, giggle, and meet the happiest birds in the whole world! Let's go!
Look at the fluffy little pigeon, waddling on his tiny feet. He gives a happy coo to everyone he meets. Mitthu Mitthu! Look at the silly green parrot eating a sweet little fruit, waving his tiny claw to say hello to you.
Look at the long white ribbons trailing behind. The paradise flycatcher twirls in the sky so kind. Here comes the little Koel, playing hide and seek. He sings a happy tune with his sweet little beak. Look at the baby peacock, sweet and bright, opening his soft green feathers to bring delight. Little chatterbox Mina hopping on the ground, making the happiest silly sounds around. Tiny little sunbird sipping flower sweet, dancing on her toes with a happy little beat. Weaving a cozy up in the tree, weaving fun nest homes for you and me. Stitching leafy blankets with a tiny leaf thread, tucking all her baby chicks safely into bed. Red-whiskered bulbul with a pointy crest hat, singing silly songs to a friendly little cat. Big beak, tiny wings, laughing in the shade, happiest little bird that nature ever made. Look at big beak pelicans splashing in the lake, catching happy fishies for a yummy lunch break. Spoonbill scoops the water with her spoon-shaped face, dancing around in her water lily place. Sleepy little nightjar, hiding on a log, resting through the morning with a cozy frog. Bright green bee-eater twirling in the sky, chasing happy bubbles as they float right on by. Zoom, zoom! The tiniest bird in the whole wide world is buzzing past the flowers. What's so funny, little laughing thrush? He's telling silly jokes to the whole forest. Wiggle waggle, don't fall down. The fuzzy baby cassowary is learning how to walk. The green parrot is booming a happy beat, dancing through the night on his little parrot feet. Dunk! Into the cool, rushing river, the little dipper goes, washing his fluffy white tummy and his tiny little toes. Boing, boing, boing! 7 happy babbler friends hopping together on the leafy forest's ground. Open wide! The pelican chick's big pouch holds all his favorite bubbly water toys. Splish, splash! The little kingfisher dives so fast, catching tiny fish as he zooms past. Tippy toes, the crane chick dances tall, spreading fuzzy wings in the grassy wetland hall. Look at the scarlet macaw, flying through the trees. He loves the sunny jungle and the gentle breeze. Mr. Toucan, your beak is very big. He loves to hop around on every happy twig. Quack, quack! Little duckling floats so neat, paddling along with her tiny orange feet.
The pretty crowned pigeon closes her eyes, dreaming under starry nighttime skies.
Red, yellow, green, and blue! This lorikeet brings a sweet flower just for you. Peekaboo! The Hoopoe pops up his fancy crown, making us giggle without a single frown. Pretty pink Gala giggles on the tree high, waving hello as the clouds roll by. Little Blue Jay holds an acorn so tight, ready to share a tasty little bite. Snowy Owl winks his golden little eye, whispering sweet goodnights from up high. Waddle, waddle! Fuzzy Penguin slides on ice, playing with his friends so kind and nice. Happy Puffin brings tiny flowers today, inviting all the birds to come out and play.
Soaring soft and slow through the clear sky, Condor waves hello as he glides on by. Tiny Chick sits so cozy and warm, safe in the nest, away from any storm.
Musical boat, baby rhymes, on the waves we go. Sail goes ding, sing, 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 fun for ye and two. Musical boat, baby rhymes.